Guys, back from Pattern Traders. I'll make a quick video. It's not going to be long because there's not really much to update. So let's go back to our previous range. We had a bull cycle that took place on the 23rd, second one that took place on the 24th. The confirmation was the 25th, and we flipped bear. The first cycle flipped bear on the, I don't know what this is. What is this? The 27th, 28th? What is 27th? Okay, 27th. So now we are officially in a bear cycle, but cycle 2 is still bullish. Keep that in mind. So I'm playing with this structure in regards to the Fibonacci levels above us. These are the main levels I'm looking for. Those who are going to ask how I got them, I took my fib extension and I took the original swing low, swing high, and the higher low, and I came up with these levels over here. Right, so even if we break out, when we break out, not if, when, whatever the case is, when we break out or if we break out, I'm going to target these levels over here. Now, from a micro perspective, let's make a copy, video 1, save. So now, what we're currently working with is to delete everything. We have our, this is the microstructure right here we're working with. We have our Monday high, and our Monday low. Excuse me, guys, I'm still sick, man. Right, and then we have our weekly. And then we have our daily. That's it. That's all you need. Turn the indicator off. Label them real quick. Bro, these guys are annoying, texting me every day, man. Jesus Christ. Damn, bro, I'm so annoying. Sorry guys, I'm getting bombarded with texts. So this is what I'm playing with and what I'm working with right now. If you want to draw a trend line from the original, well, it's not really an original, but we consolidated a little bit over here. So you have to take in consideration that this is an important block. So given the fact that it is a block, regardless of what people say, sorry guys, I'm getting bombarded from work too. So this trend line is still holding. Let's make this black. And the reason why I chose this trend line is because, again, guys, it's from a consolidated block that led us to the breakout. I want you guys to know that if we do happen to get back under here at this level over here, right, this specific consolidation under resistance, it's a pretty clean long if we get back down here. So that's what we're working with right now. Okay, that's what we have. Daily open rejected us, Monday high, Monday low, and we are above the weekly open. As long as the weekly open holds, we should see more upside, right? So now let's get rid of that because that's not clean. What am I targeting on the top side? Well, let's assume that the high is not in, right? Let's assume the high is not in, right? And we want to go to 30,000. But before we do that, we need to range a little bit, meaning chop around. If that's the case, then there's a lot of liquidity resting at the 27K range, right? This was pretty much the last candle, the last down candle before the breakout, right? This was remember where I told you guys that longs are trapped, right? Let's go to lower time frame. So longs, people that long this area over here, wanted to long the breakout, got trapped. If you long this, the breakout, you got trapped. So there's a lot of longs sitting here, trapped. Now, if we're bearish, we have no business going up there, right? But if we're bullish, and this level holds, our first target, other than obviously the daily open and the Monday, we should easily target the liquidity over here, which is going to be in this blue box. So if somebody wants to punt the long, for personally speaking, I'm long right now. I'm long. I got long at the sweep over here. I think I'm long at 59.8. 25.89. I think, or 25.9s. I don't know. I gotta check. Anyway, stops are at break even, so I don't care. So I took this position. I put a stop loss under this specific wick over here when I entered originally because I caught the wick, and I'm still targeting up here. Now, this specific trade that I'm in right now isn't that I'm purposely, even though I know that we're bearish, I'm purposely holding them at break even because I still think that there's a really good chance we are going to go back up to 27Ks only because of the 4 hour. It's very hard to die with only one top. Usually you go up for a retest. That retest is going to be your main short, right? The way we had it over here. The way we had it over here, right? Look, we originally made, let me show it this way, right? This right here, this is your first top, and this is your first top, right? This is your first top, and this is your first top. We went back down, we bounced, we're going back down, we're gonna probably bounce over here. This is gonna probably come up a little bit like this. Went up, we rejected. It's your second top, sorry, second top. Then you had your dump. Went up, made another head, went for a third top, third retest, second retest, third top. And then that's when the main dump came. So I'm not telling you that we need to go for 3 tops, right? So we definitely need 2 tops. I'm confident we need 2 tops. We can't really doubt with only 1 top unless we're really, really bearish. I don't think we're that bearish, right? So we did get our first top. Once we get our second top, I'm going to be looking to open up bigger shorts. Now I am still swung short from the top in case this thing does croak down to protect me. Otherwise, I'm anticipating one more poke up. You had your head over here. Usually what happens is you go up for a retest and then you die. Same thing with the RSX, same thing with the MSTX, same thing with this. This usually goes for the sell line. Let me see what the zone is. Let me see what the price says. Sell is $28,000 to $31,000. So that means that this area over here is 28Ks, and then the top of it, the gray line, is 31,000. So I am anticipating that if this thing bounces and supports us, we're going to go over here to the mid, and then we're going to die right here like that. That being said, what else did I want to show you guys? Yeah, if you're scalping this, guys, turn on your buy and sell signals. The 20-minute has been so good, man, so good. The 20-minute has been since like the 17th of the month. 20-minute has been so accurate. I'm not saying to take the signals blind, but like if you get a 20-minute signal, that indicates that we have enough power. Sorry, not 20. You have enough power and you have enough of a reset to continue the trend, right? So look at these signals since the 17th. Buy signal down here. Algorithm all reset. Everything reset. Buy, reset. Right? Sell, buy into a div. This is a div down here. Double sell. Let's get rid of these real quick. Again, guys, these aren't buy sells that you have like MACD crosses. These are real time frame exhaustions, man. So when you get a buy and sell at 20 or whatever, any time frame, right? Take into consideration, all right, why is this indicator giving me a buy signal? Does that mean that we're ready to flip? Does that mean that we're exhausted? And then look at your other confluence. Look at the fib levels. Look at the supports and resistance. Look at your oscillators. Are we good? Can we flip? Then if you feel like you're at a good spot and you could have a decent RR, of course, punt it, right? It's beautiful. 20-minute has been money, guys. 20-minute has been money. So I'm sitting in this right now. From a higher time frame perspective, we do have a 4-hour sell. This looks terrible from a higher time frame perspective. Make a copy. Let's call this high time frame. Alright, weekly looks like, yeah, we didn't even cross it in the weekly, so we're okay. By the time we do this, on this side, it's going to be quite some time, maybe like another week or so. Right, we still need to, let me get rid of the swing actually, let me put the regular one on. Oops, swing, turn this off. Yeah, you see how we need to go back down, Got one of them poke up, you know. Oh, 3D looks disgusting, guys. Yeah, 3D looks done. Oops. 2D looks done too. Once this thing crosses, it's gonna give us at least a 20% dump. You're not getting a 2D cross without a 20% dump, guys. I'm telling you right now. Unless we're going for a reaccumulation like we did over here. But normally, this is what you get. Once you get a 2D cross like this, whenever you get it, this is what you get. You get that dump right there, which is like 20% or 18%, whatever that was. We had a cross over here, and we did reaccumulation so we could break out, which is probably going to be the blow off top, and then pass. Being honest with you guys, based on cycles, the minute cycle 2 turns bear, I think it's game over. Like once that turns bear, it's game over. We're gonna get slapped so hard. So what I'm expecting real quick, that's pretty much it. I'm expecting another poke up. I just don't know if we're gonna go a little lower first. This does not look good, by the way, guys. This looks disgusting. Indicators on the lower time frames all look like shit too. Yeah, we don't even have a 1 hour reset, guys. Just the RSX, which is doing its retest right now. So basically, you lose Monday low. Keep it simple, guys. This way, you guys could just put Monday low on your chart, and then put your weekly open. If you lose your weekly open and you lose your Monday low, chances are we're gonna come all the way down here at the 4K level. But we should get some kind of potential bounce at this level over here, mid 25Ks. Put a little bit of a mark here. It should offer some kind of support temporarily, right? Make that red. Yeah. And if you do actually an extension from the top down, let me see. I can't take that top. Could I take that top? I could take that top actually. From a macro perspective, right there. These are the fib levels that you want to target lower. Yeah, it comes all the way down to 25 threes, guys. 25 threes. I would not target the 618. I don't like the 618. 7, yeah. So if we lose these levels, or maybe even 24/7 to target this cluster down here. That's it, guys. I want to make it short. It's chop. Play safe. There's no reason to be in this market right now unless you're long from down here or short from up here. It's just chop fest, man. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Ren is flying like crazy. I'm still holding a good bag. It's just gonna melt faces, I'll tell you that much, guys. Yeah, we're probably gonna get rejected over there. Probably something like this. And then come and retest that. Or retest that. One of the two. Ideally, you're gonna retest this first. Not down here. But you had a clean 3 drive pattern, guys. Let me see how the oscillators looked on this bad boy. Yeah, over under. Boom, there's your buy signal, guys. Beautiful buy signal. Let's do a regular one. Yeah, buy signal. Beautiful buy signal. We still need a higher low. So this is definitely gonna come down. Regardless if it comes over here first or goes over here, it's still gonna come trade somewhere here where it's gonna make a higher low. Then you can enter your long over here, put a stop loss based off an ATR, and then just target your moon or whatever you want. Algo still hasn't broken out. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's make an ad. No. I'm gonna wait until until BTC bottoms out before I mess with algo again. I'm currently right now I'm holding Ren, and I don't even know if I got rid of my did I get stopped out of my. Yeah, I closed my link. I'll close my XRP. I got stopped at break even, and that's it. I'm just holding run right now. And that's about it, guys. Cheers. If you have any questions, DM me. Otherwise, be careful. This market looks like shit, like usual. Until we reclaim daily open, be cautious. Even if we go like this, right? You could punch it long here. It's safe long, but daily open is important. We lose weekly and Monday, it's game over for the Bulls. Cheers, guys.